Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. So this is episode number 7 of CAT 2020 Slot 3 in the series of last 5 years of CAT paper. Tricks to solve every quant question under 1 minute. Let's look at the question number 18. We have covered 17 questions till now. This question, just a minute. Yeah, this question is from the topic of exponent and it was asked in CAT 2020 question paper slot 3. A very simple question. Look at it, guys. How do you approach this, right? No technical stuff required to solve the question. Simple. x1 is equal to minus 1 and the value of xm is given to u as xm plus 1 plus m plus 1. That means if I put m as 1 here, the value of x1 will be x2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 2. So that is the value of x2 will be equal to x1 is minus 1 and x2 will be taken on the left hand side. So x2 will be minus 1 minus 2, right? And if I put m as 2 here, the value of x2 will be equal to x3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 3. And because and x3 will be equal to minus 1 minus 2, right, minus 3. The value of x2 is minus 1 minus 2. So 3 has been taken on the left hand side. So x3 is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. If you look at, so if I put xm as 3 here, I'll have x3 will be equal to x4 plus 4 and therefore the value of x4 will be equal to x3 minus 4. What is x3? It's minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 4 will be taken here. So this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Now observe it. x2 is minus 1 minus 2. You see that here? This is minus 1 minus 2. This is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. For the next number it's minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. I want to find out the value of x 100 now. That will be minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 up to minus 100. So it's basically sum of first 100 natural number with a negative sign. So if I take minus 1 as common, this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100. Sum of first 100 natural number would be n into n plus 1 by 2, right? This will cancel on 50. So you will have the value as minus 5050. This is the answer of the question, which is option number 1. 1 would be the correct answer. Now let's look at the next question, question number 19. This one is very simple, as you can see that. Basics are required to solve this, right? You need to be confident that yes, you can solve this question, right? Otherwise, there's nothing here that is theoretically that you're supposed to know to answer it, right? Even if you don't know anything, if you do a basic observation of the question given or the expression that has been mentioned over here, if you know how to read the question, you can solve this question, right? Question number 19 says, again from the topic of exponent, f of x plus y is f of x f of y. F of y is 4. Then f of 10 minus f of minus 10 is equal to which of these 4 options? Now this is a very famous function. A function f is such that x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. If you have studied the basic algebra, you must know a function where addition become the product is an exponent function. How? You see that I know that a raised to power x plus y is equal to a raised to power x into a raised to power y. Is this holding true? Yes. You see that? That means this function that this expression is talking about is nothing but that exponent function. So I can say that f of x is definitely a power x. If you know this, you can solve this question. You can solve this question in less than 30 seconds. Now, if f of x is a power x, that means I can use this here now. F of 5 will be equal to a power 5, and it is given to me as equal to 4. So that is a power 5 is equal to 4. I need to find out the value of f of 10 minus f of minus 10. F of 10 will be a power 10 minus a power minus 10. Now what is a power 10? If a power 5 is 4, can I write down a power 10 as a power 5 square minus, can I write it down as a power 5 raised to power minus 2? Just put the value of a power 5 here. 4 square 16 minus 4 raised to power minus 2. So this answer is 16 minus 1 upon 16. Now, if you know the fraction of 1 by 16, 1 by 16 is 6.25%. In terms of fraction, it would be 0.0625. Subtract this, you'll get the answer as 15.9375. 15.9375 is the correct answer, which is option number 4. A very easy question. Look at question number 20 of linear equation of CAT 2020 question paper slot 3. Basic question, right? A 6th standard guy can solve this question, right? Let k be a constant, the equation kx plus y is equal to 3 and 4x plus ky is equal to 4 have a unique solution. We know that two linear equation, right? If this is a1x plus b1y plus is equal to c1, and this is another line a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now, they will have a unique solution. That means both of these two lines will intersect at one point. For that, the condition is a1 upon a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2. That's a basic condition to have a unique solution. Now, these are the two equations given to me. Kx plus y is equal to 3 and 4x plus ky is equal to 4. If I want the equation to have a unique solution, I need to make sure that coefficient of x, k upon 4, should not be equal to coefficient of y, 1 upon k. That means k square should not be equal to 4. If k square should not be equal to 4, that means k should not be equal to plus minus 2. Or I can also say that mod of k should not be equal to 2. Because if mod of k is equal to 2, that means k can be equal to plus minus 2. So mod of k should not be equal to 2. That's why the answer to the question is option 3. You see that the level of the difficulty of this paper is so low, right? That's CAT 2020 question paper slot 3 that we are solving here. All 3 questions are free marks, right? And you won't believe at 15 questions you can cross 98th percentile in quantitative aptitude. With these level of standard questions, right? It's easy. You can easily do this, right? All you need is basics of each and every chapter. The basics, you need to clear the basics of every chapter properly to get through the CAT paper. Guys, this is my referral code to get plus subscription, LRDI Smear Live. LRDIprep is my YouTube channel name, right? Where you can cover 100% syllabus. This is a Telegram group name. The link is given in the description part of the video. And I'm taking a series of 30 minutes daily DILR live practice at 4 p.m. on Unacademy free special classes. I'm going to cover 300 sets of DI and LR, the excellent sets of DI and LR before CAT. 38 episodes have been taken. The link of all those episodes are given in the description part of the video. You can check all these videos. Right? In every one session of 30 minutes, I have covered one very beautiful set of logical reasoning or data interpretation. Cover your 100% syllabus by subscribing to LRDI Plus, LRDIprep. These are my upcoming courses on Unacademy Plus to cover your 100% syllabus in the next 90 days. Algebra, arithmetic, DI, LR, geometry and modern math. You can cover this whole syllabus of DLR in the next 90 days by attending 3 hours of classes every day, right? One session as 6:30 to 8 and the another session as 9 p.m. to 10:30. This whole timetable is made in such a way that by attending these 2 sessions, one from 6:30 to 8 and one from 9 to 10:30 on Unacademy Plus, you can cover your whole syllabus in the next 90 days, guys. Also, there's a next on the upcoming Sunday, there's a weekly scholarship that is going to happen on Unacademy. So you can unlock this test by using my referral code and you can stand a chance to win scholarship up to 55 lakh. Use my code. On the upcoming Sunday at 12 p.m. the scholarship test will be conducted. And there's a feature where Ask a Doubt feature is made live on Unacademy Learning app, where you can just click on the question, highlight the question and send it across to get the video solution of that doubt. Right? So this feature is also available. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. See you in the next part. We'll be discussing more such questions. Thank you.